Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to start the project of putting a rooftop tent.
Cut. Opening scene, take one.
Hey, what's going on, guys? We are here in my brother's shop.
I don't know what to do with my hands.
So what we're doing today is we're installing these bed stiffeners on my truck. Something a little bit different for my channel, but I'm actually working on getting a rooftop tent installed on my truck bed. So I'm going to be building a rack, putting some LED lighting in it, as well as installing these bed stiffeners. So that's today's project. So what these are, the Tacoma beds are actually completely plastic, except for these two metal beams, and then obviously it's mounted to the frame. So this connects the one piece of metal in the bed to the frame and adds a little more rigidity for having that extra weight up top. So we're just gonna burn through this. It's not necessarily gonna be a how-to, just kind of showing what we're doing with the truck. All right, so we gotta pop out the taillights on this so that you can access the backside of these little metal pillars. So this is my brother Austin. He has a pretty sweet 4Runner that he's built up, and he's the Toyota guy in the family. He's the one who got me into Toyotas. Why don't you run him over some specs on your 4Runner?
So this is a 1999 Toyota 4Runner. It's got the 3.4 liter supercharged. This one happens to be a 5-speed with an e-locker. It's got a pretty mild 3-inch lift on it with some aftermarket upper control arms. 4X Innovations rear bumper, addicted off-road front with a 13,000 pound winch. Got the 35-inch KM3 rock sliders. It's got a roof rack. I also have a rooftop tent. That's why we're kind of setting Logan up so we can go camping. Pretty mild build, but it will take you just about anywhere you want to go.
So my truck also has rock sliders on it. They are welded to the frame, and I actually designed and had my buddies help me weld them. But you can pick the truck up or set the entire weight of the truck on them. They're gonna get painted soon because they're a hideous rusty tan right now, as well as get my bed rack powder coated black.
So after that, you bolt these back in, and then you just got to drill these 3 holes, and then you just put bolts in from the back side.
These brackets right here are from a company called Cali Raised LED. They're actually available on Amazon for like $100. Pick them up, make your bed stronger, because these Tacomas, some people have put rooftop tents on them before and it'll actually like crack their bed sides, and I don't want that happening. I'll have a link to Amazon that sells these right here. It's an affiliate link. If you buy them through that, help support the channel.
All them eggs I eat every day.
You want me to do it, or do you want to do it?
I would do it through this way first and then bolt that on. You know what I mean?
Gotta take the ditch mittens off. Good luck with that bolt. It's a tight little spot. Right behind that bracket. And they're freaking nylon lockers too.
So we just drilled through the back side of this, and the bolt ends up about right where my finger is on the opposite side of this bracket. Hear that? Oh, stop. You're getting my truck bed dirty.
That's tight.
This is where your hardware comes through. Your taillight's just gonna plug all this up so you'll never see it. Oh, you didn't put your holes in?
What?
I put both my hardware in the bottom first. Guess I'll just not use that bolt then. So when you're removing your taillights, there's a tab right here. And then there's another tab down here that you have to pull until it clicks and it'll pop out. So pull on it straight back. You won't break anything, but it'll pop out of there. Quite a bit of resistance before it does. Well, as usual, Austin shot and missed. So we're dremeling out the hardware down there. This is my brother Garrett. He's helping with the camera today. Appreciate you helping, man.
Fuck you.
Those weren't all that tight to start with.
Now they are.
All right, guys, got our bed stiffeners installed. They look pretty awesome. I'm excited to try them out. They also have tie-down points built into them. That's what these holes are drilled in there for. So you can attach all sorts of whatever you're gonna throw up top. I do have some LED pods for the rear. And these have little beams that come out of the side. They're called side shooter LED. Right as I'm saying, side shooter. They're called side shooter LED beams. These will be in a future video when I put up the bed back. Pretty easy install. Austin found a way to mess it up.
Yeah, had to massage one of the brackets a little bit.
It turned out good. Thanks for your help, Austin. Thanks for your help, Garrett.
Yeah.
Peace. Much appreciated. See you guys in the next video. It's not an Overland build project.